And what I advocate for is if you teach to the very top, everyone will find their place. Like let's make the gifted approach the floor. Because if you teach to the highest level of the standard, then your kids who are very prepared, come from those homes where they've been read to a lot, they'll find their way. And then you get kids like me who look up and say, man, I want some of that. You know, I may not have all the trappings. I may need you to help me dig beneath a couple of layers of coal, but I want some of that. You know, instead of either teaching to the middle or teaching down, where your proficient learners are twisted in the wind. Everyone wants to be held to a higher standard with support.